Road accidents are becoming more frequent every day, and the number of people dying due to accidents has also increased. ENT600, the traditional steel guardrail, is designed to keep vehicles on the road while also dissipating some of the impact energy. A lump of metal will be going to damage or destroy almost anything it contacts, such as buildings. Effect from accidents occurred on the roadside. Introducing the roller barrier system. The roller barrier will safely lead the vehicle to the original road path rather than drifting away to the opposite direction if a normal barrier is being used. The benefit of using the roller barrier is that they reduce the impact on the occupants or the vehicle if the accident occurs. This means even if the accident occurs, it will lessen the severity and damages when using roller barriers. This rolling barrier system could also reduce the speed of the vehicle to a complete stop with the help of a stopper board. The roller is made from EVA, which is a rubber-like material that makes them light, soft and flexible. Roller barrier is cheaper and lighter than normal barrier. It is vibrant or striking color, and also a light reflective band around the body of the roller. The stopper board is thin plate, which placed in between buffering frame and rotating barrel. The upper and lower frame rails are being bolted together with post, and the post is covered with post cap. A metal pipe will be inserted in the post. The front rail function is to absorb the second shock, while the back rail will absorb the third shock. For more info and purchasing, do contact us.